So this store has approximately 10,000 plus sales, and I'm just going to whip up my calculator here so we can calculate their profits. It's exactly 10,612 sales, and we're going to multiply that by 6 for the profits per sale. We're just approximating that to 6, and that equals 63,000 plus dollars in profits. Now, if you notice, this shop has mainly pet tags, and if you notice, you will see 20 people have this in their cart, 20, 12, 11, 20 people have this in their cart. So what's really stopping you from making a pet tag similar to this when you have a print-on-demand provider, which is Printful, who provides the same Go tag? So if you're interested in finding out how to make $10,000 plus from pet tags, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Today's video I'll be going into Etsy. We're going to be taking a look at a store that is making 10,000 plus in sales just from the sale of pet tags. Now, Printful is one of the print-on-demand providers that I recommend you use, and Printful provides these pet tags. I'm just going to show you that in a bit. Once you're on your store, scroll down to home and living and click on pets product. As you can see, it's new, so click on pets product, and this is the pet tag that I'm talking about. As you can see, this gold pet tag is the same or similar to this gold pet tag right here, and which 20 plus people want it. So we're gonna go back to Printful and click on it. And before we go ahead, you can see this slash price right here is a launch price for this pet tag. It's being offered in silver and gold, and for this video we're gonna do the gold. The next thing you need to do is to design. You can design either by clip art or by text. If you want to use a clip art, just click clip art. These are the ones that I was trying out with. If you want to do a heart, for example, like this is how it looks like. But if you want how it will look like in your store, just click mockup view. So this is how it will look like in your store. But if you want a text, if you want text instead of clip art, just exit this, go to clip art and type maybe the name Lucky. Font or the typeface, you can choose lobster maybe. So let me show you how that looks like. Markup view. This is how it looks like. And if you want to beat your competition, which is this one right here, you can see that they added the name Lucky and they added the number, and say Lucky. Let's just put that UCKY. Then let's scroll a little bit down. You have to position this up because you have to write down the name of or the number. So Lucky, then come down 2 3 4 5 space 4 5 6 space 7 8 9. So that should be the number. So we're just gonna reduce that a little bit, and maybe something else, maybe the name of the street. So apparently it's not like, so we're just gonna put Jones down here, and we're just gonna arrange that to fit. So once you're done arranging, click on mockup view. So I'm just gonna click on this review, and you can see this is how the pet tags looks like once it's done. Another thing that you can do is you can upload a design that has already been made, and that's how I think this black coating was done, by the design. For example, you go maybe to Canva and you make a design of this product using a dark, you make a design using a dark background with their name. I think that's how this was done. So this is an example of, or this is a review of this tag that was done. But in this case, we're just gonna use plain text like here. So once you're done with that, just proceed to mockup, Lifestyle mockup is always the best. Lifestyle with the pet. In short, you can choose many of them, but choose the one that the customer can see. This mockup right here is the best, the flat mockup. We're gonna go that one. Proceed to details. This has already been filled out. Engrave pet ID. If you're doing for a dog, say engrave pet dog ID. Fill in a lot of keywords related to dogs right there. Say furry friend gift, and a lot of tags. So once you're done with that, scroll down and put free shipping. Customers love free shipping. If you can fill up the tax, that will be good. Proceed to the pricing. For now, the price is $7.95. You can sell it for $11. If you want to beat your competition, you obviously have to sell a tad bit less than them. So if they're selling for $13, we're going to sell for $11.99. So $11.99 is good right here. So just add 99, $11.99, and that's what we're going to sell it for. So you could either do click with the profit added or click to see with launch price discount added. So since we're doing the launch price, because it's gonna increase in a bit, so we're doing the launch price right now for $6.95. So definitely take advantage of this before the price goes back to $7.95. Take advantage of this and launch it for $6.95. So if we're doing for $6.95, we're gonna be getting $5 profit approximately, and we're going to submit to the store. So once you click submit, so I went back into my Printful listing because I discovered that my listing had just 1 or 2 photos, so the listing need to have more than 5 photos. That's why I went back to Printful to add more. So I went back to Printful to add more. I added an additional color, which is a silver, which I didn't add before, and we're going to choose the markup. So if you want to choose additional markup, just scroll down to the bottom, click on additional markup styles, and we're going to select all of them. I'm going to choose this one, flat 2, flat 3, flat 4, lifestyle photos. You should include everything in such a way that the customer will be like, wow, I really want this. So include that with the owner. Then we can remove that and include that with a dog and a cat, both of them in there, then the owner. So I think that is good. We don't want to include too many. So we're gonna choose JPEG smaller so your store will load faster. Proceed to pricing. The pricing is gonna be the same, $11.95. It was $11.95. And submit to store. So we're just gonna quickly refresh that and see how it looks like. So 2 additional photos added. I would have wanted more. I'm not sure what happened there, but I'm gonna fix that after this video. So I don't want to make the video too long. I'll just go ahead, and we have to fill in all this description. So it has already put the category for us, so that's one thing I like about Printful. That's filled in the category and filled in the description. So if you're using Printful, just click on that Printful, and the price $11.99, and it's gonna be free shipping. And that is it. When you're done, just click publish, and it's gonna take 20 cents from you. So what you have to do is to come back to this website and do different variations of that same tag. This one has the name and the number and the last name. This one has just the name. So if you can do different variations of that same product, you'll be competing with this seller, and hopefully you make sales because they're priced at $13 and yours is priced at $11.99. So that gives a reason with free shipping. I don't know if they're doing free shipping. So let me just go back, see if they're doing free shipping. So $13. Yep, they're doing free shipping. So they're doing $13 plus free shipping, and you're doing and we are doing $11.99. So that gives the buyer a reason to buy from us if our price is lower than theirs. So I will advise that you come back to Best Engravings and study their listings, study everything about them from their engraving options. And if you want to add an option like this that's engraved front and back, let me just quickly show you how to do that. So come to the personalizations back in your store. And that's one thing we forgot to add, personalization, add that on. And we're gonna write, go back here, exactly the same thing we write, or even better. So we're gonna copy that, come back to our listing and paste. We'll obviously have to edit that. So it says please specify what you would like on the front and back of the tag. We suggest no more than 15 characters per line and a max of 3 lines. More text equals smaller text. Font options are on the second and third pictures. Obviously we don't have any picture like that, so we're going to take this out. And what I will add is that, well, this description makes sense. So another thing that I will add is enter the name of your pet, and I'm gonna say name that, so they fill it. Then the rest of this will be, so this is how it's gonna look like. Enter the name of your pet, the name. When they fill it, it's gonna be, then it's gonna say please specify what you like on the front and back of the tag, so they know that it's front and back of the tag. Now going back to variations, we're gonna click on variations and edit it, because we'll have to add the style, because it's the front and the back. So we're gonna click on, oh sorry, it's not style, let's go back, it is engraving options. Yeah, engraving options. So we're gonna go to create new variations and put engraving options. And add it. And what we're gonna do right here is name the option. So we're gonna engrave the front, it's just $13, and engrave front and back is $17. So in our case, engrave the front, engrave the front and engrave the back. All right, sorry, engrave the front and back. All right, characters are long, so we're going to change that and to engrave front and back, add. All right, so if we're done with that, prices vary. Yes, the prices vary, and we're going to save and continue. So as you can see here, it's engraved the front and engraved front and back, and instead of $11 or $11.99, which we had before, yes, it's going to be $11.99, but the front and back right here, we're going to put it at maybe $12.99. So that's how it's going to be. And now we're set. Now we are set. Engrave the front, engrave the back, select an option. If you want to do the font option, just do exactly the same thing I did. But know that you're going to have to include this option, font option. I'm going to do that in this video. If you want to do it yourself, you know exactly how to do it. The same as I did it right here, by going to the variations and editing the variation. Just do the same thing. But I don't want to make this video too long, so if you don't use Printful yet, there's a link in the description. It's free to start using Printful. Just click on it and create an account. Now I just want to quickly throw this in here. Printful is offering a challenge to win $20,000, or a giveaway, something of that sort, to win $3,000 by completing 6 challenges. I'm just going to click on this so you can learn more. It's called the Printful Jackpot 2021. Complete 6 Printful challenges from January 27th to February 24th to improve your store and participate in the jackpot to win up to $3,000. Now if you want to sign up, just click sign me up. So let me just show you how to, or what it entails. It says the 6 challenges is to add a new product to your store, which is this. You can start with this pet dog tag that has just been released with a special launch price. And the next thing you need to do is to explore Printful on social media. Check us out on at least 2 of our social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Then subscribe to the Printful blog, get 5 international sales, add an eco product to your store, leave a product review. So those are the 6 tasks that you need to finish in order to be considered to win $3,000. Now, Printful is just trying to make you make more sales, and that's why they brought up these challenges. So by the time you're done with all these challenges, you must have added products to your store that could potentially make you some sales. Now it says visit the dashboard to complete the challenges. So I'm just going to quickly show you to the challenges. I already completed some challenges. It says subscribe to the Printful blog. I have 100 points for this, and there are other tasks that I've completed. So I've completed one task. It says the more you know that subscribing to the Printful blog, I had a 100 points for this, and you can always make use of these points. If you want to see all the challenges, just click see all the challenges. Now I'm just going to show you. I have 500 points right now. I'll show you what I use the points for. Click view perks. So here are the points that I've already used. I'm just going to blur this out. I've already claimed my perks for $5 Printful coupon and a $10 Printful coupon. So once you complete those challenges, you're going to see your Printful points increase, and you can use those points to, you can claim those perks for things like this. So you can use this for an order. When an order comes in, you, instead of paying using your own money to pay, you can use these coupons to pay. So even if you're not going to win the $3,000 jackpot, you still have some money, you still have some perks, or you still have some coupons that you can use for your order. So it's really a win-win for anyone. You're not losing anything right here if you complete some of these challenges. So that's just what I wanted to show you. You should definitely, and here are the other perks that you can use. I use this too, but you can get a $5 Printful coupon, which is one that I already show you right here, and extra order sample, which is 200 extra order sample, and free digitization coupon. This is so here are the perks that you can use. You should definitely take advantage of this. There's really no loss here, so take advantage of this before your points expire. As you can see, mine says expires in 3 months, expires in 3 months. So you should definitely take advantage of this before your points expire. So I'm gonna end here. If you found it helpful, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about Print and my KDP, this is a channel for you. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you'll be the first to be notified when I make or when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.